So before I had something to track me, I constantly struggled with weight loss my entire life. So I've always been like a heavy kid. Like I've tried losing weight, I'd cut stuff, I'd go exercise, but I'd always stop and I'd always put it back on. And sometimes I'd put on more weight than when I started.
So the Series 4 Apple Watch has been out for about a week now. And while there's been a ton of heat on the iPhone, I think the general consensus is that the watch has been a hit. We've seen it all over Apple keynotes, those stories on how the watch saved a life, how it impacted someone. And I thought it'd be cool to actually find someone like that. Meet Gregory, who lost 100 pounds using the Apple Watch.
My starting weight was 280. I'm down to 175 now. Took about 2 years to get there, but I've maintained it. You know, ballooning a little here and there, but maintaining 175 and still looking to get better though.
Now for me, the biggest benefit of the Apple Watch has always been that it encourages you to be active, because chances are you are more than likely less active than you think.
I always thought I moved around a lot, or more than the average person. I think a lot of people like to overestimate how much they're actually moving around. So for me, when I got home and I saw that I only took like 2,000 steps, I was going, oh man, and then you see that the calorie ring's only 100 filled and you have to burn 600 calories, it's a little disorienting. At first I'd start going on walks, just short little walks, 15-minute walks on my breaks, and that would help fill the gap. Eventually I just wanted to lose more and start going more, so I'd start walking home from work. It would about be like an hour walk and you get like 10,000, 15,000 steps. And after a while I just got tired of walking all the time. It took up a lot of time, so I just started running. And I picked it up from there, started going half mile, 2 mile, and then eventually 5K.
So when I saw Gregory's story, it really motivated me. I've been off the fitness game a little bit more than I would have liked to admit lately, so to see him go from a mile to 2 miles to a 5K, I was like, geez, he is completely outdoing me. I just stepped my game up.
I sent the tweet out, I sent a tweet sharing the video that I actually had a hard time making, telling people about how I lost the weight, because I did want to share it with my audience and let them know where I came from and how heavy I was and how much I progressed, and it was important to me. So at most I was expecting a like. All of a sudden I'm sitting at work and all of a sudden I see a message and I'm like, oh shoot. My heart rate's pumping up, I couldn't handle it. I can't believe I let myself get that heavy. I barely recognize myself when I look at older photos, and sometimes people will say in my life that you weren't that heavy, and then I'll remind them and I'll show them a photo and they go, wow, that was you. I have a friend from college, Evan. He lives in Massachusetts and we haven't seen each other for a while. And you know, we're sitting there and it's like the elephant in the room, no one brings it up. And then we're sitting on a drive back home one day and he goes, man, you lost a lot of weight, huh? If I could do it at 280, I think a lot of people could do it. I'd say find something that works for you. If it's an Apple Watch that can help you track your movement, or if it's something like MyFitnessPal that can track your calories, just try something, start doing it every day and keep at it. So
with that, I thought it'd be awesome to bring Gregory out, hang out, and run with him, see what he does on a day-to-day, because right now my cardio and endurance, I'm gonna admit, is trash. So Gregory's gonna kick my butt. All right, so we're about to kick off this run with Greg. I'm a little worried that he's gonna kick my butt, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try and run 2 miles with him. Let's see how it goes. That's a pretty fast pace, man. That's a good pace. That's a good pace. Man, so we're like 6 seconds in. His pace though, like, I knew he was gonna kick my butt, but he's just going. Man, so I'm bringing his pace down right now. We're about a little under half a mile. I'm breathing, I need a tea, and he's just chugging through it like a champ. Man, I got all the credit in the world to Greg. Like, I knew I was out of shape, but holy crap, it's just like a giant slap in the face, like, dude, you gotta run more. Josh, he murdered me. Like, destroyed me. Like, I'd just go home after this. Yo, so I was expecting like this calm, peaceful jog. You know, he's downplaying it the whole time, it's no big deal. I run for fun, my pace isn't that fast. I say go.
It's not that fast.
Dude, there's like Blair Witch footage of me trying to catch up to you, and you're just like knee high, running uphill, just booking it. So, damn it. I'm sweating so much from Gregory. This mic won't stay on. So you do that. Like if I didn't screw it up, you would have been going the entire time.
Yeah. You stopped a couple of times, and I had to stop with you and walk. I never stopped through my whole 5K. I just go straight through.
He was telling me how it slows him down and makes him feel
A little
more.
bit. It's actually harder when you slow down. Just keep going, get over with.
Oh man, I feel so bad. Like I need to get my stuff together. Either way though, man, like already from the get-go, 100 pounds is like it's an amazing accomplishment. So you should be so proud for that. But the endurance you built up kind of blew my mind.
Thank you.
So everybody out there, mad props. Smash the like button for Gregor. He also does some really awesome tech videos on top of just being this like boss human being. So check him out. I need to get my stuff together because good God, I'm out of shape. Later.
Bye, Jimmy.
Bye, Jimmy.
Oh.
I think everyone does that. Hey guys, this is.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, I lost 100 pounds.